welcome back to Bike Update. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 BMW G 310 GS, a bike that promises to bring more performance, style, and adventure to the entry-level adventure bike segment. Let's dive in. Updated design and features. The 2025 BMW G 310 GS comes with a fresh design, retaining its iconic adventure bike look while refining its aesthetics. With sharper lines, a more aggressive front fascia, and updated LED lighting, it offers a bold yet functional appearance. The bike's high mudguard and robust bodywork are built for off-road durability while maintaining a compact footprint for urban agility. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 G 310 GS is a refined 313cc single-cylinder engine. BMW has fine-tuned the power delivery to enhance smoothness and efficiency, giving riders better performance across varied terrains. With around 34 horsepower and a peak torque of 27.3 Nm, this bike provides ample power for both city commuting and off-road exploration. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox, offering a satisfying ride on highways and trails. Advanced technology and instrumentation. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its upgraded TFT display, now offering more intuitive controls and better visibility in direct sunlight. BMW has also added smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and music with ease. The ride modes have been optimized for different conditions, and the new traction control system enhances safety and stability, especially on slippery surfaces. Suspension and handling. BMW has upgraded the suspension system for better off-road performance. The 2025 G 310 GS features long travel suspension, making it more capable over rugged terrain without sacrificing comfort on paved roads. The front and rear shock absorbers provide great feedback, and the bike's lightweight and compact dimensions ensure agile handling, whether you're tackling tight city corners or uneven trails. Safety and rider comfort. When it comes to safety, the 2025 G 310 GS doesn't disappoint. The bike is equipped with dual-channel ABS, giving riders confidence in both wet and dry conditions. The comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars ensure long-distance comfort, making it a great choice for adventure riders looking for a practical yet fun bike. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW G 310 GS is a fantastic package for adventure enthusiasts and commuters alike. With improved performance, updated features, and enhanced comfort, it stands out as one of the top choices in the entry-level adventure bike category. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable ride, this bike could be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Update for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching.